Today, we're going to make your videos super vibrant by adding a multicolor clones effect. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in InShot, then tap on Effect in the toolbar. This will open up the Effects menu. Next, you'll want to go to the AI Effects section, and once there, tap on the Clone tab. This section offers different cloning effects, but for today, we're selecting the color option, which gives you that colorful multi-version effect. Now, you have the option to choose how many clones you want in your video, 2, 4 or 6. You can start with just 2 if you're going for a subtle look, or go all out with 6 clones for a more dynamic effect. After choosing the number of clones, you can adjust how far apart they are using the value slider. This is really useful for controlling how spread out or close the clones appear. Slide it to the left for a tight arrangement or to the right for more space between the clones. Once you're satisfied with the look, tap the check mark to apply the effect. And that's it. You've just created a multicolor clones effect in InShot. It's a quick and fun way to make your video stand out and add some colorful energy to your edits. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more InShot tips.